Hello friends, welcome to all. In previous lecture, we see find the minimum spanning tree, weighted spanning tree by Kruskal's algorithm. Here also we study obtain the minimum spanning tree or find the minimum spanning tree by prime algorithm by prime algorithm. Here in prime algorithm, first here suppose G is a graph. A, B, C, D, E, F. 1, 2, 2, 4, 3, 3, 3. Here 4, 4, 1. And this is, weight of this is 5. In first, for finding minimum spanning tree using prime algorithm, first choose any vertex V1. First choose a vertex V1 from a graph G. From graph G. Now next choose one of the edge of the smallest weight in G which is not a loop and which is incident to V1. That means if you choose any vertex V1, then choose edge which is incident to V1 and which is not a loop, and say this edge is E1 is equal to V1 V2, and this is smallest weight in G and which is not a loop. Okay. Now next choose an edge of smallest weight in G which is incident to either V1 or V2, but with the other end point neither of these. That means other end in neither of these. That means if you change U2, okay, this is VI V3, where I is or I belongs to 1, 2. I is either V1 or I is 1 or 2. That means Vi is either V1 or V2. And but V3 is not equal to V1 and V2. And we repeat this process of taking edges of smallest weight, one of whose end is a vertex provided chosen and other end become involving from the first time until we have chosen up to n minus 1 edges. Then at this stage we are involving each of the n vertices. At this stage we involving each of the n vertices of G by constructing the resulting subgraph of subgraph is connected and it is acyclic, so it is tree. This is a spanning tree of G and this minimal spanning tree. Here, step first algorithm. Step first. Choose any vertex. V1 of G. Choose any vertex V1 of G. Step 2. Choose an edge E1. E1 is V1, V2 of G, such that V2 is not equal to V1. That means this E1 is not a loop and E1 has a smallest weight. E1 has smallest weight among the all edges, among the edges of G incident with V1. Smallest weights among all edges which are incident to V1. Now, step third. See here, if edges E1, E2, dash dash, EI have been chosen, involving endpoints V1, V2, dash dash, Vi plus 1. Choose an edge. EI plus 1. And this is equal to Vj, Vk, where Vj belongs to this V1, V2, Vi plus 1 and Vk does not belongs to this V1, V2, Vi plus 1. That means one end of this edge in this set and other end other than this set, such that EI plus 1 has the smallest weight, smallest weight. Among the edges of G which are incident or which are end, one end in this set, and step 4, stop after n minus 1 edges have been chosen. Otherwise, repeat this step. See here, using now Prim's algorithm, we can find minimum weighted spanning tree. See here, choose vertex here, any vertex. If you choose any vertex here, choose C is equal to V1 or V1 is equal to C. C is equal to V1. Then here three edges are incident, CB, CA and CD. But here these two are minimum weighted. These two are minimum. Take anyone. That means choose this edge. Choose this edge. CD. E1 is equal to CD. Okay. E1 is equal to CD. Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F. One, two, two, four, three, 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 one, four, four, five. Here, that means we choose this edge. Okay. Now, choose second edge, which are incident to either C or D, which are incident to either C or D, and its weight is minimum. Here two edges, here two edges remaining, here three edges, but all among these weights 2, 4, 1, 5 and 4. This is the minimum weight. Then choose E2. E2 is equal to DA. E2 is equal to DA. That means this vertex. Okay. DA. Choose this. Okay. Now choose edge which has minimum weight which are incident to C, D, A, any vertex. Here its weight is 3, its weight is 1. Okay. Then choose E3. E3 is equal to AB. So choose this edge. Choose. Now, again, and here vertex are, chosen vertex are A, B, C, D. Okay. Now, again choose a edge E4 of minimum weight and which are incident to this vertices, Here choose AF. E4 is equal to AF. Now this is AF. Again, it is a cyclic graph. It is a cyclic subgraph. Now choose again E5, edge E5, which is incident to these vertices A, B, C, D and F and minimum weight. And this is 3. That means this edge E5 is FE. We already chosen 5 edges and graph of 6 vertices. So we stop here. That means our spanning tree here minimum weighted spanning tree is this edge, this edge, this edge, this edge, this edge, and its weight 1, 2, 1, 3, 3. Total weight W of H subgraph 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3, here 10. That means weighted weights of minimum spanning tree is 10. In previous method by Kruskal's algorithm, this weight is also, for same example, this weight is also 10. This weight is also 10. Okay, we can find minimum weighted spanning tree by either Kruskal's algorithm or prime algorithm, or either Kruskal's algorithm or prime algorithm. So you can use any one method from these two. Okay, we stop here. Thank you.